So will I take that? That is.
It's 1.3 kilograms.
Yeah.
So put that one quite close to the middle because that's the heaviest.
Okay.
And then,
Okay, drone. So Noreen, we got our drone landed just there. This feels like we're moving very much into the future with the kind of stuff that's happening today. So maybe tell us about what happened today and what you received and what you think about what's going on.
Yeah, it's very exciting to see this project taken to the air, literally. We got some medical equipment sent over today in just a 7-minute flight from Lewisburg, and we're going to send back hopefully some blank blood bottles just to show that it can be done very easily and very simply. It's just a 7-minute flight. It's not always suitable for people to travel over and back to the mainland, and it's great to be able to get medications or send samples over if we could into the future. So I hope in the future this will be a very normal mode of transport from the island.
Yeah, and then compared to the hassle that usually comes with trying to send out bloods from the island and all that kind of stuff, how do you think this would compare speed-wise and efficiency-wise?
This would be much, much easier at the moment. I have to bring them back to Achill, and we do have a taxi service at the moment that brings them up to Castlebar, but it's a 100-kilometre round trip, so this would be much, much simpler, much easier, and hopefully we'll be looking at a lot more of this in the future.
Yeah, isn't it just amazing to think about what can be achieved in such a short amount of time, like how quickly things have progressed since you first came on until right now, sending things by air. And so yeah, we had the drone and it landed fairly successfully. There was no complications, so a safe land, and the weather conditions are still perfect. So we'll send it off then again, hopefully in the next few minutes, and then we can update you after that.